In this video, I'm going to show you how to change color in Clip Studio Paint. Now, if you have an image like this, it's going to be a bit trickier, but if you have like a painting or maybe a drawing which you colored or something like that, it's going to be much easier to achieve. The only thing you have to worry about if you have like a drawing or something is that you actually have the layer selected of which you want to change the color, okay? So for me here, I have an image because it's a bit harder to do, but you'll understand how to do it once I show you. So if you have like an image like this, you can go ahead and use the selection tool called selection area on the left, so click on that, and then just like roughly go over the area which you want to recolor, okay? So for example, I'm going to click on over here, and then I'm gonna go just like around this eye over here. You don't have to be very precise, but of course the more precise you are, the better your result is going to be. So I'm gonna go like this, there we go. And let's say this is the eye selection over here, and I want to make it a different color. I don't want it to be blue. Now what you have to do is press Ctrl and U on your keyboard, and it's gonna pop up this hue, saturation, and luminosity. Now what you can do here is play around with these and change colors that way. So as you can see right now, it's over here. If I go more towards the left, as you can see, my eye now became green, now it's yellow, now it became like dark orange over here. If I go towards the right, it became purple, and then we have like red-ish, stuff like that. And of course, you can change that as well. So over here, you can then change the saturation of that image as well. You can change luminosity, which will also make it darker or brighter, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how you can do this very easily, and you can do this for any color. Just make sure you either have a selection or a layer selected which you want to change the color of. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.